Well, today I pretty much got it screwed together. I'm still adjusting it some. I'll make the gaps fit even better, line it up a little bit better, and then start welding it, but it's coming together really well. Tell you what though, it didn't fall into place like that Monte Carlo SS did. I had the darndest time getting this thing to drop down there. I actually had to cut more metal out. But finally, after working with it, I got it there. Doors open and shut real well. Still have a little bit more of a gap. I mean, I want to tighten that up some. And that, remember that hole that I was talking about I was going to line it up with? I've still got to bring it in just a little bit more, and a little bit more work up here. And of course, some of this metal is going to get cut off, and it'll be welded pretty much end to end. All those wires, I got to figure out where all they go. I took a video of it before I really started tearing it apart. I filmed where all the wires go. So I splice that frame in. Felt like it would be best to leave that because the car rides on that, so I didn't want to put a splice on that. It's just the rear horn that was bent. Put in half of that brace. I don't know if this shows up very well. I don't have the springs attached to the trunk lid yet, but look at how nice it's going to line up. I mean, all the contours, everything is there. All the body lines, of course that's got a dent there, but the lines are there. I took the latch out, wisely took it out because I don't have the battery hooked up. I didn't want to feel like climbing in the trunk. I'm not even going to bother painting this car silver. Back here, I'm so proud of what I've done on it. I'm leaving it black. Black and silver. So I'll probably own this car until it goes to the crusher. I don't think I'm going to sell it. Trunk lid's heavy without the springs assist. Look at all that metal. Can't wait to haul it off for scrap. I can't wait to weld this thing together and then put my new subframe under it and take it for a well-deserved drive. It's terrible buying a car and don't even get to drive it. You gotta put it together first. It fought with me and fought with me. I could not get it to drop down. And finally, right after I ate lunch, and during lunch, I thought of some ways to drag it down. And I pulled it down on this side, and everything fell into place and lined up. And it's a true car. I mean, it's good and square. It'll make a good car. Thanks for watching.